February 2020, we signed an agreement with Sage, who adopted the Sicon manufacturing modules to replace the Sage 200 manufacturing system, and these are now purchased directly through Sage. The Sicon manufacturing suite includes works order processing, material and capacity planning, kitting, barcoding, warehousing, and shop floor data capture. This year, we've worked together with Sage on case studies, product demonstrations, and podcasts, all centred around the benefits of integrating the Sicon manufacturing modules within Sage 200.
What we'll do is we'll come into the party at that point where there needs to be something new. So particularly our clients been identified, they've got something unusual about what they do. And Redtronic were probably in that same camp at the point, because as I say, they were running on spreadsheets, lots of a well-run business, but lots of disparate systems where they're trying to pull all that information together.
Fully integrated into all aspects of Sage 200 Cloud, Sicon Manufacturing enables businesses to monitor, control and simplify their systems and processes, leading to improved efficiencies and profitability.
Customer lead times were 6 weeks. There was waste in the system. They struggled to cope with new business coming through the door. It was their turn to put on the sirens and call for help, which Sage provided in the form of Sage 200, and an introduction to specialist Sage independent software vendor Sicon.
For more information, please take a look at our product video library, which you can find on our website, www.sicon.co.uk.